Okay, picking the bike up. Cases are back on. Oh man, that looks pretty good. They got the exhaust on there. Still dirty. I need to clean it. Yeah, cases are good. I don't have anything to put in them at this moment. But where's my music? Yeah, I'll get that in a minute. So yeah, so that's the let's see how it sounds. Let's see what it sounds like. Let's see. You too. Thanks. Have a good one. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh yeah, that sounds better. That sounds much better. Okay. Some noise versus the stock pipe that was on it. Oh, I can still see the dirt on it. It is dirty. Alright, so time to get to the house.